Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to create a Spocket account. So the first step is to go to their official website and click on get started in the top right corner. After that, what you're gonna have to do is simply enter your email address. So I'm gonna enter my email address really fast, and then you're gonna have to simply enter your name. Then simply click on sign up, and then this will basically create your account. As you can see, we just created our account. Now we can skip these steps here. Now don't forget, because you're gonna have to basically verify your account. So let me skip this. Now as you can see, we're gonna have to choose a plan, and it's gonna cost us only $2, and after that it's gonna cost us $39. So basically that's all for today's video. I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys.